Hey friend. Oh, hey friend. Oh, fucking hell.
Did he bite you?
No, I think he kind of tried to. Got any more feed?
Give him some more.
Got any more feed? He's quite cute, this one. This is the cutest one. He's got look at those little horns.
Yeah.
Alright. See you, mate. Ciao for now, guys.